What does the alternative look like? Well, you don't have to hope that you can tie your shoes because you have confidence that you can do it. Do you think that you could predict the trading future? I am not a financial expert and I know it wouldn't even help me. What do you think? Even if I would be a better trader, which I am not, I would prefer to use an automated system because I can spend my time doing anything else. Some traders have 249 questions that need to be answered before they trade the first single dollar. Just start to build and improve an automated trading system that fits your needs. Expect the market to do one of three things. It can go up, it can go down, or it can go sideways. You might watch your account go up for 11 months, only to see a drawdown in month 12. How would you handle something like that on a real account? When I run the backtest for this expert advisor, I can define some settings in the strategy tester. Sometimes a change looks like a small step, but it has a big impact on the end result. We do backtests again and again and again. With an automated system, it is almost effortless to do a few hundred or even 1,000 trades within a few minutes. I have tried a few dozen different entry signals, and most of them could do the job. I think the best way to pick something is to start somewhere. Some time ago, I decided to allocate more capital for each microlot trade and never trade the Swiss franc again. But actually, this is not a good idea, because today I know that all currencies cause problems from time to time. If you find yourself hoping that a particular trade becomes profitable, you are probably still what I call a hope trader. It is all about focusing on the right things. If you can find something that already works well for you and you can improve that thing, that is when it gets interesting. It doesn't cost anything to trade on demo accounts, so I consider it to be a good practice to use them and save your money until you have something that works. Usually people know that training is what makes the difference. You need to do push-ups if you want to strengthen your arms. Automated systems collect a lot of data, and therefore it is possible to improve the results based on the trading statistics that the systems collect. You can pick something that worked for the last few years. I usually do a backtest for 8 to 10 years for several currency pairs to find out what works and what doesn't work. Once you have done something, you know that you can do it again. Maybe you are what I call a hope trader, hoping that something will somehow make you a profitable trader. It is no problem to watch your account equity go down in a 2-minute video, but it is something entirely different on a real account, and it can go on for months. So how do you know what works and what doesn't work? Trading is not an exact science. The result depends on several factors. For trading, the sail setting is the strategy. The water below the boat is the capital, and the wind is what the price is doing.